I know that you've probably been learning a lot about net operating income, also known as NOI. And two of the things that majorly impact your NOI is the service your residents receive, as well as your sales. Sales, or you might be just calling them leases at this point, just depending on the terminology that you've been learning. What you have to realize is that a lot of times we're very transactional, meaning we're always looking for that next move in. How do we get traffic? How do we get them in? Where if we could retain our residents for longer and they stay longer with us, we would actually impact our NOI in a more positive manner. The National Apartment Association says that when you take full cost, all hard and soft costs into account, that an average turnover costs you over $3,000. So once you retain a resident and you get a little bit more money out of them on their renewal, then you'll also save that $3,000 in expenses, which greatly impacts your NOI. When you also talk about service, is at the end of the day, we all pay for conveniences and we all pay for good service. So if you're giving your residents good service, they will perceive their rent as a better value. So always remember that you do need to make those sales, because as properties turn over, you do have to fill those units back up. So then when you're looking at your sales, you need to look at it as you are the revenue generator. Every piece of traffic is an opportunity to grow your income. And also when you're selling to that person, you're selling a lease term, not a $600, $800, $1,000, $800,000, whatever your rent is. You're not just selling that 1 month's rent, you're doing it for the lease term. So your sale is a big sale and it's a long commitment. So remember, you're making the money, the rest of us are just managing it.